case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case heard by the Court of Appeal of the State of California in 1986, Thomas Gaetano Philip Luparello, a well-established chiropractor, was embroiled in a grievous criminal case that centered on an accomplice's liability for a crime that exceeded their primary criminal intention. Luparello faced charges following a misguided attempt to harass his ex-girlfriend, which instead culminated in the death of her friend. Luparello's dubious plan involved hiring his patient, Terry Cisak, to track down his ex-girlfriend's whereabouts, allowing for the use of force as necessary. The plan, however, escalated unexpectedly, resulting in the murder of one of the receptionist's friends. Despite not being present at the murder scene, Luparello was held accountable and subsequently convicted of murder, based on an accomplice theory of liability. In the face of his convictions, Luparello sought an appeal. He contended that he was a victim of prosecutor misconduct, that he was inadequately supported by his counsel during the trial, that inadmissible hearsay evidence was used against him, and that the evidence standing did not substantiate his convictions. His attempts to overturn the convictions, however, fell on deaf ears as the court dismissed his contentions. In their ruling, the court expounded on accomplice liability, asserting that an accomplice could indeed be convicted for a crime committed by another, even if it superseded their original criminal intention. Therefore, Luparello, as the initiator of the conspiracy, was deemed responsible and held liable for the death that, although not directly committed by him, was a foreseeable consequence of his initial actions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class